did me a solid by putting the vent hose and used it for the carburetor so he could get it running. That's fucked. So I'm hoping it's just hydrolocked. Oh, there's some gas for you boys. Oh yeah. Let me learn y'all a little something. Sometimes you get one with bad enough carb issues, it'll lock the fucking water hose. Notice I have this plug wire way away because if it was right here, that'd have been a fire instantly. Little XR update, got new carb on her. You guys, have you ever seen a tank that minty? Shit, the carb leaking? Is that oil? Did you shut off the motor? That makes more sense, these sons of bitches. Oh, I see what the problem is. The vent hose.
Oh, the vent hose over the back there.
Yeah, it is. We gotta drain the oil. Because when he filled it up with fucking gas, he filled up the crankcase too. I bet you pull out this dipstick and gas comes out that motherfucker. Pull that out. Be ready to put it right back in because it's about to start just pissing out. Betcha. No? Is it completely full? Pretty deep, right? And there's gas in it, smell. Yeah?
Yeah.
You weren't supposed to take a full inhale. So we're gonna change the oil. She fired right up. She's blowing oil out of the vent hose because our old boy flooded it. Son of a bitch. Makes you wonder. She was nice and thin and full-like. So I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I should have known to change the oil because it was, the top end was full of gas. I should have known the bottom end was. So we're gonna dump that. Well, we had to take all that old oil out of her. It's a little contaminated. I think it takes almost all but about 4 ounces of it. But we'll see how she runs in a minute. Maybe it won't be smoking as bad in a little while. After somebody rebuilds it. No boot rub? Come on, man. This sucker's pretty cherry. I don't like the Mayer fenders or whatever the hell these are in the back. They're a whole different color red, but I didn't trust the plug they sent in it. It says these gaps are supposed to be a 050. It's like an old YZ250 or something. Got 2 more finished. These will be going soon. CR60's next. I already got the tank off, kind of redoing it. So that's gonna be my next little project, I think. Who didn't love an old 84 CR60? As soon as I finish this sumbitch up.